tracking a barrel through the Cooperage program in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how every barrel is tracked as its own asset, adding one with its cost, filling it, and how age since filled starts counting. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Production, Barrels from your dashboard. This is your barrel program. Every barrel you own, tracked as its own asset. Each one shows whether it's full or empty, what's aging in it, how long it's been filled, and where it's sitting. To bring a new barrel into the program, enter its cooperage, oak origin, char or toast level, and cost. That cost matters later for your aging cost per gallon. When you fill a barrel, select the spirit or wine going in, the volume, and the date. The barrel's age since filled starts counting from there. If a barrel is done, used up, cracked, or retired, you scrap it and note why. It comes out of your active count but stays in your history, so your records always reflect exactly how many barrels you've cycled through and what each one cost you.